Welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic, where I'm going to show you how you can change your username on the eFootball game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the eFootball game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, navigate to the Extras menu at the top section. From here, you will need to go into User Information. Now just go into User Details, and then press the appropriate button to edit your user information. Now you can go into your username and then make your desired correction. After entering your desired name, you can simply go back and your changes will be saved. And you can come back to this menu in order to change your username at any time in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.